we're on our way to Boston. So excited. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, and there's stupid traffic outside. Nobody in the fucking Bronx know how to drive. Finish the heart.
That's what I enjoy when I buy myself. It's cute. Like a lingerie shop. Look at my fingers.
So anything you said?
Thoughts.
Oh. Guys, we just made it to our room, our hotel room in Boston. Let me show you this fuck ass view real quick. This is the view we're working with. Lord. Whatever, bro. I'm not even gonna bother showing the room because it's just one night and we just needed a place to sleep for the night. But she's cute though. The room is cute. Like, it's very simple. See the bathroom? She's cute. Okay. She's cute. Where's the light? Jay, ain't no light?
I don't know. That's here. Oh.
The lights are just outside the bathroom. I'm screaming. She's cute. She's simple. Okay. She's gonna get the job done for the night. I have a great time in Boston. I'm so excited. Hey guys, so we're gonna go get coffee. I feel like this entire time we've been doing nothing but getting coffee. Eating and drinking coffee. That's what we've been doing all day. In Salem, that's what we did. Got coffee and ate. Here,
Coffee. Nobody get coffee in Salem.
that's exactly what we're about to do. We didn't get coffee in Salem. No, we didn't.
No.
We just ate.
Yeah.
We just ate before we left.
We got coffee.
We got coffee and ate. And now we're doing the exact same shit. Again, drinking coffee.
I bet that hotel is a fucking smoke lounge.
Jordy is so mad because the hotel we're staying at doesn't have a smoke lounge.
I bought a top-notch anniversary cigar.
And she's so fucking pressed they don't have an area for her to smoke at.
I mean, if we're gonna spend prestige money, we need for the prestige people. I didn't buy that cigar. That cigar is $40.
They said you can go outside.
Literally, he was
smoke outside.
There's an area outside. This would be a good place to ride your motorcycle. I'd say that much.
Show the bag. This is all Asian snacks. This is what happens when you have like adult money and you don't know how to act. Like, they should have never given us adult money.
Hot coffee. Filled our Metro cards. Matcha.
We just went on a rampage as soon as we woke up. Like,
I think we both spent like $200.
that is so bad.
And rent is due next week.
We are dehydrated. We're filled with nothing but coffee. Ew. We're filled with nothing but coffee and beer.
Coffee, beer, and matcha.
Coffee, beer, and matcha. That's what we're filled with. No water.
Belly's
we had
full.
like 2 sips of water all day.
Belly's full.
Belly's full. Pockets empty. Pockets are empty. Okay, so we have a big haul of Asian snacks from Tanishi. Hopefully I pronounced that right. We spent $60 fucking dollars. Freaking snacks. So I'm gonna show you what we got. So we got our strawberry candy. Oh. And then these like chocolate thingies. We didn't know what we were grabbing. Like we just bought anything that like looked good.
Neither of us speak Japanese.
Just grabbing random shit. We got strawberry milk. So cute.
Excited for that one.
That one looks really good. And then we have some coffee. Coffee. Of course we got ramen, obviously, duh. I got these strawberry gummies. And then white peach flavored gummies. These were actually, we had a little bit of these on the fucking ride home. These were actually really, really good. And I was thirsty, but I got, how do you say this? Ramoon?
Oof. Oof.
What did he say? Ramoon? Damn.
Okay.
Don't come for me, y'all, but
Do Spanish for this.
I don't know, but this shit was so good. Like, I've never had this before, and it was like my first time drinking this, and it was so freaking good. Like, I need to go back and get more flavors for sure. And then, what is this? I don't know what this is.
Coffee.
Oh, coffee. Okay, so we got more coffee. I don't know what these are, but they look so good. They're like chocolate and strawberry. So I'm gonna fuck these up later. And then more coffee. Damn, bitch. All we got was coffee. Yeah, all we got was coffee. And then Fanta, white peach. We had some already, but this was so good. So good. Like 10 out of 10.
Coffee.
More coffee. Oh, shit.
I'm definitely having one of those soon, like ASAP.
And then I got these. My friend from Japan. No, my friend went to Japan and fucking bought these back, and these were little crack. Like, these were actually crack. These were so, so good. So I had to get these again. And then
White peach soda.
White peach soda. Hopefully we're not wrong. But we got this. The packaging is like actually really pretty. Like, wow. So cute.
It's cutesy.
Like the pink is everything.
Yeah,
All these drinks. And then the guy at the store was like, these are like, I guess their version of Red Bull, or no, that it tasted like a little bit of Red Bull. Got
the yellow one he
these.
said was like Red Bull, and then that one was similar to Red Bull.
So we got these as well. Hopefully they do something for us because our caffeine tolerance is really high. And then some more strawberry gummies. Everything we got was literally strawberry or like white peach.
Yeah, like everything's pink.
Everything is literally pink. We got nothing but coffee and strawberry flavored shit. But this is sure good. Crazy ass haul. Okay, that's all we got.